So, merong manager, gusto niya malamig yung kwarto niya, di 18 degrees. Yung iba, katabi ng manager, giniginaw, naka-jacket. Diba? So, but what if you have IoT correlating energy with
The temperature.
temperature, and then an admin person will say, Sir, ang baba ng temperature sa opisina mo, may mandate tayo, di ba? Almost in real time. What if it's set up na pag bumaba ang temperature lower than, let's say, 22 or 23 degrees Celsius, i-alert yung admin, and the admin will say, Sir, pakiayos mo, meron tayong mandate na ganito. Would you
Mm-mm.
believe that BPO saves ha, 100 million pesos a year now?